How can you use fraction names to represent whole numbers? Today we're going to be using fraction names, so we'll be naming whole numbers as fractions. Just for an example, how many pizzas do I have here? You probably said that I have 2 whole pizzas. Let's count how many pieces makes a whole pizza. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pieces make a whole. So 1 piece is equal to 1/6. To make 2 full pizzas, I have 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 pizzas equals 12 slices or pieces, and 6 pieces make 1 whole. So 2 is the same as 12/6. We have 12 1/6 pieces here. What are some equivalent fraction names for 1, 2, and 3? You can write a whole number as a fraction by writing the whole number as the numerator and the 1 as the denominator. The number line shows 3 wholes. Each whole is divided into 1 equal part. 1 whole is divided into 1 equal part. 1 whole divided into 1 equal part can be written as 1/1. 2 wholes divided into 1 equal part can be written as 2/1. 3 wholes, each divided into 1 equal part, can be written as 3/1. So if you think about it, 1 goes into 2 times. So that's the same as 2 wholes. 1 goes into 3 times. That's 3 wholes. But looking up here, 1 only goes into 1 time, so 1 whole. You can find other equivalent fraction names for whole numbers. Looking at this number line here, we have fourths and halves listed. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, or 1 whole. We start adding more fourths, so we have bigger than a whole. We have 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, or 2. And if you think about it, 4 goes into 8 2 times. 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, and 12/4, or 3 wholes. And again, 4 goes into 12 3 times. Looking at the halves, we have 1/2 and 2 halves. 2 halves is the same as 1 whole. 3 halves, 4 halves, 2 wholes. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 5 halves and 6 halves, or 3 wholes. 2 goes into 6 3 times. There's many equivalent fraction names for whole numbers. Here's another way you can use fractions to name whole numbers. 12 1/3 fraction strips are equal to 4 whole fraction strips. So if you look, we have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, and we have that 4 times, so there's 12 of them. All whole numbers have fraction names. You can write 4 is equal to 12/3. So we have 4 ones, 4 wholes, and we have 12 1/3 pieces, or 12/3. You also know that 4 is equal to 4/1. So you can write 4 is equal to 4/1 and also equal to 12/3. Let's try a couple problems from your book. This is number 4. So 4 equals how many halves? Well, we know that 2 halves equals 1. So 2 halves equals 1. 4 halves equals 2, because 2 goes into 4 2 times. 6 halves equals 3. Thinking about it again, 2 goes into 6 3 times. 8 halves equals 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. And if we put 4 over 1, that also equals 4. Now let's look at number 8. 6 halves is the same as 3 over 1. It's also equal to 3. 3 is our whole number. And also 2 goes into 6, 2, 4, 6, 3 times.